Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi sallam. Welcome back. We're on ayahs number 155 onwards from Surat Al-Baqarah. We are here. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wa la nab. Nab, noon ba. So nab, the ba has a qalqala, so slightly doubled. وَلَا نَبْلُ one. The noon has a shadda, so this is a noon. Noons always have a lot of rules. This one has a gunna. لُوَنَّكُمْ وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ. This meme, because it's before the ba, this is advanced, so I won't mention this too many times. You're going to hold the meme just slightly before the ba. Luwan. So let's maybe go back. وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ. So if you notice, I held it just slightly before the ba. So kum بِشَيْءٍ. Now this normally would be in. It's mixing with the meme here. That's why you have the shadda. So when you have kasratain before meme, you're going to basically combine it. So instead of in, it assimilates with the meme. So it becomes bishay'im min. Bishay'im. So it's going to have the M sound. Bishay'im minal. Bishay'im minal khawfi. Minal khawfi wal ju'i. So minal alif lam, this drops, goes to the lam. Minal khaw, kha, waw, fatha over the kha. These have specific, when you read those little books on how to read the Quran, have a lot of these examples, right? Before the waw sukun, when you have a fatha, it becomes aw sound. Minal khawfi wal ju'. Right? Wal ju. Ju is extended because of the waw here. Wal, you can tell. Okay, so waw, this drops, goes to the lam. Wal ju'i. This is a ayn. Wal ju'i. Wal ju'i wa naqo sin. Wa naqo sin. So this qaf is slightly qalqal as well. Wa naqo, and then the sad moving into the meme with a sukun. So this again becomes from naqosin into mixing with the meme, so it becomes im. Wa naqosim minal, like that. So naqosim minal. And then you go here, this drops, goes straight to the lam. This is alif lam, another alif that the hamza sits on. So this drops, goes into here, that creates the L sound. So minal, and then you're going to go here. So this is not read, this is hit upon, but it has a sukoon, so it makes an L sound. Minal am, so you're reading the hamza fatha am over the meme. And I think you know that. Minal amwali, minal amwali. So this should be review. Wal, this drops, goes straight, same scenario. That drops, goes to the lam sukoon. Wal an. This is a noon with a sukoon, so it's actually ikhfa, right? Wal anfusi, wath, because this drops, huruf shamsiya. If this is the first time you're joining us, please refer to the earlier videos that goes through these in more detail. So huruf shamsiya, so you read wathamarat. Okay. Wabashiri. Shin has a shadda. Wabashiri. And then you drop that and go straight to the sad because it's huruf shamsiya. Wabashiri sabirin. Okay, moving on. Alladina. This is a word. This is our word we've been covering. Those. So you see it a lot. Memorize it. Alladina. Ida. So you have a alif here and then you have a hamza here. So this is going to be med. Med is where you extend it. الذين إذا أصابتهم. أصابتهم. This is a ta with a sukun. Bet hum. Hum. And then the two memes assimilate. أصابتهم مصيبة. Like that. So the memes assimilate. أصابتهم مصي. The ya sukun extends the sad. So مصيبة. مصيبة. مصيبة قالوا. Right? الذين إذا أصابتهم مصيبة قالوا. Like that. قالوا. Right? So the right there, you see the little sign for ikhfa. Med, to extend. قالوا إنا. Noon, shadda. إنا لله. لله. وإنا مد. وإنا, this also has غنة. وإنا إليه راجعون. راجعون. Okay. Let's continue one more ayah. أولئك. أولئك عليهم. عليهم صلوات. صلوات. This is going to assimilate with the meme here. صلوات من ربهم. Noon is noon sakina, noon with a sukun. You go straight to the ra from min. So it becomes من ربهم ورحمة. من ربهم ورحمة. وأولئك. This is a med here. وأولئك هم المهتدون. هم. This drops, goes straight there. هم المهتدون. مهتدون. This is not a ha, so it's not muhtadun, it's muhtadun. هم المهتدون. We ended on 157. Inshallah, we'll see you next time. Jazakumullah khair.